creating a redirect store from Shopify to WooCommerce is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can create or make a redirect store from Shopify to WooCommerce. So for that, you have to be at your browser and you need to search for Shopify, of course. So I'm just going to search for Shopify and I'll go to this website, which is shopify.com. Now here you have to log in. So I'm just going to log in. After logging in, if you currently don't have an account, you just need to create a new one. So I'm just going to log in. After logging in, you will see this page. And now here you just have to go to this online store. In my case, it is online store, but you probably have a new app. Just have to click on that app and you will see this page. Now here you just have to search for, URL. So if I click on, if I type in URL, and you will be able to see this option, which is URL redirects. So if I click on that, it will take me to a page, something like that. Now here you just have to, either you can direct import URL redirects or you can create new one. It totally depends upon you. And here, after opening that, you just have to, add your WooCommerce website's link. It will let you create a redirect store from Shopify to WooCommerce or any other website you want. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can make a redirect store from Shopify to WooCommerce. Hope you guys find this very helpful.